How's it going, everybody? Nathaniel from RCInsight here, and today I am back with another fairly straightforward tutorial video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the bands on your Whoop 4.0. Now, you might be like me, where you simply just weren't a big fan of the stock band, and so you ordered a second band. Maybe you have a bunch of bands, and you try to kind of coordinate them with your outfits. Whatever it may be, there's lots of reasons to have two bands, and obviously if you have two or more different bands for your Whoop, you're going to want to know how to swap them out so you can wear the different ones at different times. So it's pretty straightforward. The first thing you have to do is you're going to have to just unclasp the Whoop that you are wearing. If you don't know how to do that, I have a second tutorial on how to just clasp and unclasp it on my channel already. I'll link in the description, but it's pretty simple. And so then from there, once you have it unclasped and open, you're just going to pull a little bit on the sides here, and you'll notice that it just pops out easy. So there's these little points here on the edge of the Whoop that just fit into these little holes at the side here, just like so. Quite simple as they do. And so again, to take it out, you just kind of push it to the side. This stretches a little bit and it pops out like so. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to slide the other end of the clasp off the Whoop, which again, pretty easy. It just slides right off, and now you have your Whoop by itself, and you have removed your band. So to put your second band on, you're going to follow the exact same process. First thing, you can kind of do it either way. I tend to prefer sliding this end of the band on first. So again, so it fits in the grooves at the end of the Whoop device and slides on nicely. You can't really slide it on backwards. It's a lot more tough and sticks a lot more. If you're having trouble or it's not just sliding on nice and easy, then you've got it on backwards. Then you can just pull it around like so. And again, same thing. You're just going to take the little notches at the end here, easier to see with the silver one, and it just slides into the little holes on the Whoop device. And sometimes you got to fiddle with it a little bit. And there you go. They both sat in, and I can slide my new band on. And it's being a little finicky, but there we go. Now it is clipped on. So that is really all there is to it, guys. You just pop off the sides here, slide off your band, grab your other band, and slide it on the proper way, and clasp the other one in like so. So really straightforward. Ooh, making it look not so straightforward. There we go. Really straightforward tutorial there. That is how you switch out the bands on your Whoop. And I also like having multiple bands because then it means if I ever get one wet, if I'm taking it in the pool or a shower or whatever it may be, I can swap out the bands after and let the one dry so that I don't have a wet band on my wrist, which is something that I really appreciate as well, because I'm just not a big fan of wearing wet wristbands around. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial, guys. Very simple and straightforward. That is how you do it. That's how you swap out your Whoop bands. If you have any questions, if there was anything that was unclear, I guess just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to answer that for you. Otherwise, if you liked this video, clicking the like button down below would be much appreciated. It's a great way for you to show your support. Subscribe for more content like this, tutorials, reviews, all that sort of stuff you can find on my channel. I would expect a Whoop 4.0 review to come pretty soon, and there's also a bunch of other tech stuff. I have another Whoop tutorial. So there's stuff on my channel. Check it out, and if it interests you, subscribe so that you can be notified as soon as my new videos come out. With all that said, thank you so much for watching this short little tutorial, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.